I mean, in all fairness, it wasn't a tough game. I just think that earlier went a man down. That make it a little bit difficult for us. But I think tactically we have the better of them right throughout the game, even from the first setup. The change system, I was still was better than them in terms of how we were set up on the field and in terms of how we perform.
So 3 wins on the bounce. Things are finally coming together now for Waterhouse as we get close to the business end of the season.
Yeah, I would agree with you 100%. But it's just the players today, the chemistry was very, very good. The teamwork was very good. The team spirit in the camp is also awesome. So it's just that brought out in the performance today.
Young centre-back going up against a powerful striker as Stewart, and he really marshaled the defense extremely well today. And what you will say about a youngster like that and his performance today?
I mean, pretty much Romain Blake has been one of the most outstanding schoolboy football for years. I mean, we expected this transition from him. I mean, he comes from a culture in terms of football. His background is all about football. So, I mean, we expected a good performance today. We cannot really base it on one match. He has been very, very consistent since he has been playing. So,
scoring 2 goals today against one of the league leaders, one of the teams that are definitely trying to finish first in the season. And you guys have been a bit of pitch patching so far this season. Is it that the team is being peaked at the right moment going to the business end of the season?
Well, I hope so, but we can't really judge it on one game. But in terms of performance-wise, we have been doing well the last 3 games, and the results have been in our favour. So hopefully this we can continue. It's all about consistency, so hopefully we can continue.